Facebook, YouTube. I wanted to do a quick video on my new vacuum cleaner. I've had a Hoover previously before this, High Performance Pet. It's been a very good vacuum cleaner, and actually some of my customers have purchased that vacuum. I just got this in the yesterday and put it together, and I've only used it once. You know, it's working out real well so far. A lot of the companies that I follow on YouTube and some of them locally here that I've talked to like Sharks, and a lot of customers also, of course, like Sharks. I have a few family members myself who have Shark vacuum cleaners. So anyway, so far so good. You know, of course, it's very light, very maneuverable. This is a new machine that just came out. It does have the extra large high capacity cup for the dirt and soil collection, and it does also have down at the bottom, I don't know if you can see well, but it's supposed to prevent hair and just generally debris and stuff from getting easily tangled up in the brush roll. So anyway, we'll continue to see how this does. But like I say, so far I'm pretty satisfied with it, and I'll let you know as things move forward with that. Thanks.